This is the dive bridge exercise. So we can do this on many levels. So take it easy at the beginning. Make sure you build up your strength slowly and progress slowly to the level that suits you best. Let's take a look on the exercise. To start with, lower yourself close to the ground, so hands flat. You can walk in forward slowly. Keep the knees bent. Keep a nice distance between your hands and the legs, so you got space to kind of dive in. But at the beginning, you can just walk in forward and just drop the hips just to loosen up your back. Make sure you are warm before you do that. Until you see you can arch the back as much as you can. If you can extend the arm, if not, you can just push as far as is comfortable for you. And then you're going to try to bring back, almost like coming back from a press up position. Again, lower yourself and then drop the hip. Ideally, we don't want to touch the leg on the floor completely, so always on the toes. And you can start to place the knee once we're close to the floor. But the goal is not to try to touch the leg on the floor. Eventually, as you're progressing, you can start to arch your back more, so you can start to do more of a dive. So your head goes close as you can to the floor, and then you reach to the arched position at the back. Keep drilling, go easy at the beginning, don't rush, and I see you on the next one.